Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Orca, a powerful environment for managing and orchestrating entire fleets of parallel AI agents. It's gaining massive attention because it lets developers move beyond single-agent workflows, deploying multiple coding agents that work together on complex tasks across desktop, mobile, and servers. What if, instead of talking to a single AI coding assistant, you could command an entire fleet of them at once? A new project is exploring that very idea. It's not building another AI, but rather a control tower for all the AIs you already use, and it's set to fundamentally change the development workflow. The project is called Orca, and it's developed by stablyai. It's an open-source platform described as an Agent Development Environment, or ADE, designed for working with parallel AI agents. And it's getting a lot of attention, having already accumulated over 42,000 stars on GitHub, with a staggering 800 of those added in just a single day. Written in TypeScript, Orca aims to bring order to the chaos of multi-agent AI development, and it's available for desktop, mobile, and servers. For any developer who uses multiple AI coding agents, the workflow can feel fractured. You end up juggling separate terminals, managing conflicting file changes, and struggling to compare the outputs of different models like Codex or Claude. Before a tool like Orca, the solution was often a series of complex manual processes with Git branches, or just giving up on using multiple agents for the same task. The core problem here is constant context switching and the lack of a unified environment for comparison. Orca's unique approach is to reframe the relationship. It treats AI agents not as conversational partners, but as parallel workers, and provides a framework to orchestrate, isolate, and evaluate their work all at once. So, how does it all work? Orca's design philosophy is centered on orchestration, not creation. The core architecture is built on a very clever use of a standard developer tool, the Git worktree. When a task gets assigned, Orca creates a separate, isolated worktree for each AI agent. This means every agent gets its own clean working directory that's still linked to the main project. They can make all the changes they want without interfering with one another. This provides perfect state isolation and makes it simple to compare their different code contributions using standard Git commands. Another key technical feature is its model-agnostic compatibility. Orca can work with any agent that runs as a command line interface tool, or CLI. It cleverly uses a pseudo-terminal to make each agent believe it's running in a real terminal, which allows Orca to capture all of its output. This design makes the platform incredibly extensible. And finally, the built-in terminal is rendered with WebGL. That's a technology usually reserved for graphics, but here it ensures the user interface stays fast and smooth, even when managing many agents all producing huge amounts of text. So, what does this look like in practice? A common use case is for developers to benchmark different AI models on the same problem. They can run them all in parallel, see the results side by side, and then merge the best solution. For a front-end developer, there's a feature called Design Mode, which integrates a Chromium browser. This allows them to click on a user interface element, send its code directly to an agent, and then issue natural language commands to change it. Another powerful application is remote development. A developer can run resource-intensive AI agents on a powerful server using SSH while controlling and monitoring everything from a local machine or even from the companion mobile app. And what is the community saying? So far, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Developers are praising Orca for how elegantly it solves the chaos of managing multiple agents. Many are highlighting the Git worktree implementation as a brilliant way to isolate changes for easy review. The ability to bring your own subscription and use any command line agent is another frequently cited advantage. As of now, it's actually difficult to find any significant public criticism, which points to very strong early adoption. But of course, despite the innovative approach, Orca does face some real challenges. For one, its heavy reliance on external, third-party AI agents means that its functionality could break if those tools change their command line interface or get discontinued. The system's overall complexity is another concern. Synchronizing multiple agents, remote connections, and a mobile app all at once creates a large surface area for potential bugs. And finally, there's the security risk. Giving AI agents the ability to run system commands is a powerful but dangerous capability that requires robust sandboxing, especially as features expand to let agents control desktop applications. Ultimately, Orca represents a conceptual shift, moving from AI-assisted coding to AI-orchestrated development. It provides a powerful framework for any developer who wants to harness the collective power of multiple AI agents. This is more than just a new tool. It's a glimpse into a future where a developer's primary role might not be to write the code, but to direct a team of AIs that does.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.